How do everyone? This is Pranit Thakur from bbnguru.com, and today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to find expired domains using expireddomains.net and analyze them using CheckDuck. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into expireddomains.net. So registration is totally free. You just have to log in inside it. After that, you would be into this login page. What you have to do is see this deleted domain tab and just click on deleted domains. And it would show you a list of deleted domains. Here are deleted.com, deleted.net, .org, .info and other TLDs. If you're looking for some other local TLDs like .co, .uk, something like that, so you can see at .co, in .hiu, in .id, .hu, and TLDs .live, club, .space, .xyz, .cat, .eu. A list of TLD option is available right here. In you can see .uk. If you want to get some expired domain related to UK country, you can get .uk. If you want .in for India. So leaving that apart, I want to hunt some .com domain. So how do I do it? I would click on deleted.com tab. So here are more than 2 million domains. So it's not possible for me to scrape each and every domain. So what I'm gonna do is filter this domain list. So how I can filter? So in domain name whitelist column, there is contains column. So what I can do is I can filter out domains which have health word in their domain names. So that's what I'm typing here, health. So health, these are other options which you can select, but you can only learn after experimenting. So I suggest only add health. Click on no numbers. It would remove all the domains which got number in the domain names. Remove no hyphens. Now click on apply filter. It will filter out some domain names from the list in health list. Now you can see that it's filtering out all the deleted.com domains and only 8,466 domains are left. So what I can do is I can filter it out more. I would go to Majestic tab, and this is the extbl, which is called as external backlink. So what I can keep it as 20 according to Moss. It would scrape and it would filter out all the domains. So here you go on natureshealthonline.com. You can see all the domain names which been showed here are let me see. All the domains here contains health word in their domain names, and some of them are registered and some of them are available. Because why they are registered? Because someone might have bought it recently after hunting them. So that's it. And you can also see the drop when the domain was dropped. So what I'm gonna do is filter from status, sort out with status. So it will sort out some domains. I'm not prepared for this live for this video session, so I might be stuck while speaking something. So don't feel something else. My English might be very bad. Now go to CheckDuck.com and click on Bulk Domain Explorer, and I'm going to add 25 domains which I have selected. Yeah, from this, I can select the 25 domains. I'm going to the next tab. Select more 25 domains. So to another next tab. More 25 domains until I reach all the 200 domains capability. Copy it, paste it. Add it in the list. I wanted to add more 100. So leave that part. Let me just analyze this 100 domain only for now, for showing you people. Click on proceed. Now what you have to do is you have to just wait so that this CheckDuck tool analyzes expired domains. You can see the status error. If the domain doesn't have any Wayback data, it would throw you an error, which means that domain doesn't have any Wayback data, and it would deduct your credit search, because this tool works on a search credit basis, so it won't deduct your search credit. Now what you have to wait so that you can see every domain is analyzed. Some of the domain is still left. Let's wait for a few seconds. Till that, let me tell you some more things. In expireddomains.net, here are show filters. This is a Majestic tab. You can check Majestic outgoing links, unique domains, link external, Majestic referring domains, how minimum should be live. You can try out various options if you are searching for domains which have tropical trust or related to your niche, so you can select it here from here. If you need in health, business, healthcare, health addiction, aging, animal, beauty, you can select them. If you want, you can select language too, Majestic page language, and here comes adverts and SEO. So this is for the PPC guys. PPC guys might understand this. Here you can see check the competition according to AdWords. How much links coming from Wikipedia. And this is the SEMrush, how much domain should have SEMrush traffic, SEMrush cost. You can filter out according to it. And additional, you can only select your .com. If you are searching in deleted domains, you can filter out TLDs from here. If you wanted to search out 2 to 3 TLDs at the same time, only geo domains, it would scrape only geo domains such as London event planner, such type of domain. Now let's get back to CheckDuck. It might have completed all the things. What you have to do, just click on pause, refresh. Click on click score, you have to filter it out. I would select click score 4 and above, link score 2 and above, domain score 1 and above. But what I prefer is domain score 1.3 and above, because you can't filter out in points, so I just selected it 1 and above. Now what I can go do is check out some domains. So sydneyhealthnews.com, I can see it got good clean score, link score, and domain score is good enough. Health year tips, check result. Healthhotlead.com, check result. My health body coach, check result. And let's do healthcaredevotee.com. Now let's see. Availability status, domain is available. It's indexed in Google. First Wayback date 3 Feb 2018. Total snapshot 4. Domain age is 1 year. Suggested domain protocol. Clean score, link score, spam score is 76%. I would ignore it for a second, but let me check out links manually. Show anchor text. Healthier tips, knowing superfood does Atkins diets, cholesterol. Show backlinks. Show refined domain. Code Canvas, Storyfy, Udemy, MacLeod. Short top pages. So the domain is void code according to links. Let me dig more into it. Support.pt, postpaid, all for webs, affiliate bloggers, product for just code claiming, udemy.com. Though it's a no follow link, let me check. Oh, it's a profile link, I guess. The domain is not that good enough from links, and spam score is also high, so I would drop this domain. Though it can be considered if you can't find other domains. Still, it has stats. I have checked out 3 to 4 domains, all are in good stat, so I would consider dropping it. Now health hot lead, spam score 1%, referring domain, do follow backlinks, no follow backlinks, show different domains. Netherlands, so Netherlands forum, Vanguard, free links. This guy has created more of the free links and submission, web submission and forum links. Health in the shape, 34. Okay, domain that this would be worth $15 to $20. Healthcare devotee. Let's check out this domain. Total snapshot 1. First labor date 8 July 2000. Last labor. Superfeature.org, Korea.com, went to flash. So what you can say, fungus hack review, flat belly fix review, the fat decimeter review, ketone iodide. Here is my back pain review, black wolf review. I can see here the domain has more links on pages rather than homepage. So if I'm thinking to do a 301 redirect, so the domain is not. But if I'm thinking to make it a PBN, even this domain is not good for it, because the links are not on home pages but it's on pages. So to make it a perfect PBN for me, I have to make all these pages live back, make them all live back again. So let's leave this domain because the domain doesn't have that links on homepage. But what I can do is check out the Wayback manually for a second and see how much content does this domain have. This content can be recovered or not. So error pages list please contact your service providers. Means that page is also not called perfectly. So Wayback is not available to check out. The domain is not worth for me, but what I can do, I can use a 404 plugin, 404 to homepage to pass on links, or I can make them live back again. If keywords are good enough, I can make them live back again, add some contents and rank them back, because scores are good and links are also okay, so can be workable. So right now we have entered health outlet, my health body coach. And this domain. So we have done live domain hunting. You can just do sort of more filters, sort out more domains into the CheckDuck and hunt more domains. You just have to try. And one of the key point is to do hunting and analyzing bulk, and you have to see update interval once daily, time window 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. All times are UTC. Use the word clock, meeting planner or times. So what you have to do is you have to check the list between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. in between again and again according to UTC time, so that more and more fresh domains you can see in expired domains.net database. So you can grab them as soon as possible it is live. So you don't have to so you don't have to lose that domain, because if someone do it earlier than you, he might bought that domain as soon as he sees. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for my next video. I would be sharing how to find expired domain using other tools. And also comment if you got any queries in the comment box. And if you like the video, like, share, subscribe. Well, this was my first video related to expired domains and I haven't done it before. If any feedback would be possible, please share in the comment section. And PS, sorry for my bad English. Not that bad, but still working on it. So let's take a bye. Bye bye.